Catchy title color burst safe Volcano using simple home items. Baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, color, and a tray awakens curiosity. Materials needed are baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, food coloring, and a shallow tray. Pour baking soda into the tray, add color, then slowly pour vinegar with soap and watch the foam rush upward. The science shows an acid-base reaction, releasing carbon dioxide gas that forms bubbles, and the soap makes a dramatic foam column. Safety first, goggles, nearby supervision, then try different colors and share your results to inspire others.